88.
You get middle piece and the notes to go on the side.
For 788.
Yeah.
At Walmart.
Boy, Tlites. Oh yeah. Back for another video, man. We're gonna get straight to it, straight to business. Straight. We adding this diffuser right here. I mean, not the diffuser. This is gonna be a front splitter. For Carnage, you're gonna get this front splitter. It's a 3-piece. It's coming with 3 pieces. This is the middle piece. Probably gonna be the first piece installed. This is gonna be the second, third pieces. And we're gonna see what it look like. It's gonna take a little while to get it in. We're gonna make it happen. I got help from my nephew, Jeramie, and my brother, LIL Fella. So, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a second. You dig?
Like that. You gotta teach these kids.
You better get out of here.
How did you think it went on, LIL Fella? Show us how you thought it went on there.
Do this motherfucker y'all.
Show us how you thought it went on there. We got Jeramie here, baby.
Even if Jeramie would have been here, he had it upside down. He'd been like, what kind of splitter is that?
This guy wanted to put it on like this.
He ought to roll back there like, what kind of splitter is that? That don't look right.
Man.
I know that's right. I know that's right.
Sometimes you gotta question it. Sometimes you gotta question the help.
Meant to be straight.
Ooh, that thing gonna look good.
That thing gonna look official dishing.
Somebody need to line it up.
Hold on.
I guess it probably lines up right here.
There it is.
Of course, the wood is in the way.
Right back. Here.
I'm sure you were talking about the other kid.
No, he's not covering a 1/4 inch. That's right there. Put the corners first, Kenny. Well, I'm trying to get them to line up the corners, and we gotta get the front lined up too. That's mine in the corner. Is that good?
Mine's lined up. See, mine's lined up.
All right, you lined up?
No.
Well, then it's gotta go in more. Like that. Then it'll sit where it's supposed to be. Right there. How you know it's not supposed to sit like that?
Right. It's supposed to sit like that.
Yeah, see?
It is supposed to sit like that.
Right there it's lined up.
I make my
Exactly how it's supposed to sit. Green paint from.
Where? Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Hey, don't be getting me on that.
Now you're on. Now you're on.
We got a visual picture of your motherfucking man.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you?
I want to get your signature.
Thank you.
I thought you was some skinny guy.
I'm skinny. He's calling me fat now, too.
You sound skinny as fuck on
Look at that.
online. Get out of here. Motherfucking grizzly bear.
Did he tell you what I did to him at work?
With the powder?
Yeah.
Yeah, he told me.
What happened?
I checked. I thought you put something in the gas tank.
Huh?
I checked.
Huh? The club?
You gonna wear?
To the club.
Say it for the people so I can kick you.
You said you were taking that to
We went to the strip club before. It didn't work out too well because Shrell don't know how to act.
No.
I like
No.
He said, "I don't know how to act with you here. I do a lot more things when you're not here."
He's like, I can't do what I want to do because you're here.
He gonna rat himself out.
Yeah.
I keep it thorough, baby.
I got a small drill, too.
What?
I left his ass there.
He said I got smarter drills.
thought about
40 minutes later.
Yeah, that's very good for you.
Boom. There we go. That's what it looked like with the new added on splitter. That's the splitter. As you can see, I added the splitter to the car to make it look, give it a more aggressive look. Hopefully y'all like that. Actually, I don't give a damn if y'all like it. I like it. I think it look good. It wraps around the sides. Wraps around the sides. It's looking real good to me. I'm definitely gonna be tinting these. These definitely getting tinted. I'm definitely gonna do that. But I think it looks good to me, man. I love the way it look. I love how that came. I definitely will let y'all know where I got the splitter from. I'll leave that in the description. But I think it looked good with that Daytona at the bottom. It looked real good. But I'm about to wash it up. I was gonna do this regular car wash. Yeah, I was gonna do the regular car wash. But nah, man, I ain't. I'm finna go to this touchless over here. They got a touchless. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that touchless up. I was gonna go to this one, but nah, I don't think so. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the touchless up, man, because right now I'm not in my city, man. I'm in Missouri right now. Had to make a little trip down here, birthday party for the niece, so you know what I'm saying, I had to make a little trip down here. You know how we do it. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna hit this car wash up, wash her on up, because you see Carnage is definitely dirty. He looking real dirty. So we definitely gotta get him cleaned up, get him right. He can't be down here, he gotta represent the right way. But yeah, I'm definitely about to hit this little car wash up, and I'm gonna hit y'all up in a second. Jig! Told y'all, baby, touchless. We in the touchless wash, man. I had to hit that touchless up. I couldn't play those games. You probably can't see me. I can turn the light on real quick, but you still ain't gonna be able to see me. But yeah, I'm in the touchless, man. I'm gonna knock this out real quick, man, and it's hotter than a mug in here. Woo, it's hot. But I'm gonna hit y'all up in a second, man. I just want to let y'all know I was in here getting that touchless, no touch, you dig? To my guy, you know what I'm talking to you. Man, this damn car wash didn't even dry. The dryers didn't even come on, man. Man, that's crazy out here in Missouri. They out there clowning. I think I may have not paid for the dryer, but I'm finna walk over here and see, man, cause I ain't never went to no car wash where you ain't had with the drying. I never went to no car wash where the drying part don't come standard, man. I'm sweating that motherfucker, man. Don't mind that. I ain't never went to no car wash where you ain't got the drying part don't come standard, man. If they did, if I had to pay for that, that's crazy than a month. No, I don't say nothing about no dryer, nothing like that. Look, it don't say nothing about no dryer. What the hell? Come on, man. Man, I ain't coming here no more. I ain't coming to automatic auto wash. Don't come there. They'll teach you out to dry, man. I gotta hand dry this motherfucker. I gotta hand dry Carnage. Man, I don't want to do that, man. I'm gonna keep it all the way real. And it didn't even get all the stuff off of Carnage. Look at all these bugs on here. It's still, look at all these bugs. It still got a zillion bugs on here, man. Boo boo. That car wash was boo boo. Boo boo. That motherfucker was boo boo snacks. 2 thumbs down, man. But look at that splitter though. That motherfucker looking righty tighty tighty. Yeah. What y'all think about that splitter, man? What y'all think about that splitter? Y'all like that? I think that's official dishel. 100 done it. Look at Carnage though. He looking so righty tighty. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I appreciate y'all coming in, kicking it with your boy Tlites. I just playing. I appreciate y'all joining me, man. I really do appreciate it, man. And with that being said, man, one last look at that splitter, baby. Link in the description, man. So if those who want to get that same splitter, I think it's called Ikon Sports is where I got it from. I got it off of Amazon. But I'll leave the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, I'm gonna hit you with a little bit of positivity. Stay away from negative Ned, negative Nancy, man. Negative Ned, negative Nancy, they do what I always say. They will mess your life up. They ain't rooting for you. They're cheering against you. They're rooting for you to fail. And always be positive, man. Always be the leader of your crew. Never be a follower. Always shoot for the sky, because the sky is not the limit, but we got to shoot for something, so we might as well shoot for that sky. You dig? And with that being said, man, it's your boy, Tlites. Oh yeah. And I'm out this piece. You dig?
Fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me.